is I used to live in so far north of Canada, in a really small town. It's like where the road ended. Like there's like literally no roads north. You have to fly somewhere to get more north in this small town. And there was two high schools, and one of the high schools had I was the coach at that one particular high school. It was a small group, and the community had like one of the highest crime indexes in all of Canada. I think it was like 110 times the norm for violent crime in this particular community. And I was coaching kids who, came from very difficult backgrounds, very difficult contexts, family members who were maybe involved in crime, et cetera, et cetera. And we had a really good coaching staff. It was 2 police officers, a couple of teachers who were kind of switched on with this. And football was like an outlet for a lot of negative emotion. So I would say, hey man, like if you're mad, if you're angry, like let's leverage this into something positive, like, like catching the ball, running the pass, whatever. Let's translate that into the football realm. And it was really productive 2 years of my life. And we sent 2 kids to go play university football. It's fantastic. But the one thing I would say is that in that small cohort, maybe like 2,000 people in the town, about 5,000 total, 5,000 people in the immediate area. We had 30 kids on the team. None of them had any interaction with the law enforcement community because we had given them an outlet to express aggressive feelings, negative emotions, etc., and then control that and turn it into something useful. Now, again, it's anecdotal. This is just my personal opinion, but I mean, I was in almost everybody's house as a police officer in that community, and I was arresting those kids' friends. Like there's only a couple social groups to be in, so if you're a grade 12 kid, there might be like 50 to 60 kids total. So when they had like a bush party or a little social event, whatever, if I had to get called for that for whatever reason, which was common, unfortunately, I wasn't seeing those names in the prisoner list in the morning, what I'm saying? And so again, I think that there's, if you have that strong male leadership, you can incorporate aggression into a skill set that you apply. You feel that negative emotion and you translate it into positive works in your life. And I think that translates to lack of criminality for sure, but also just a general sense of like you have control over your life. Your life's gonna have better outcomes.